Hey everybody, this is going to be a very short video. It's how to kind of a last-ditch cleaning effort for a color wheel. This is an old damaged, basically demonstration color wheel I used to show people how they work. The cable is missing. Normally they would have a flat flex cable like that connected. This I think was out of an Optima. Don't quite remember. It's been a while. But anyway, what I want to do is show what you can do to kind of see if your color wheel is salvageable or if it's completely damaged and no chance for cleaning it. What'll happen is they'll stutter while they're running and it will shut down because the sensor that makes sure the wheel is spinning properly sees that the wheel is not spinning properly. Sometimes even the wheels will just get jammed. And so what I did was I took the screws out so that we can actually see the motor. It's a 2-pulse stepper motor. You can see the hub is on the outside. That's the part that spins. There's the index mark. In fact, that's I think that's a piece of tape I put on there because I was experimenting with different size index marks for something. But anyway, that index mark triggers that infrared sensor, that little black four-legged thing down there. One of those is an LED and the other side's an infrared pickup sensor, so that LED shines light out, reflects off the metal, and then that black mark comes past and it doesn't reflect. So that tells it where that segment is. So to make sure everything's responding properly, what you kind of want to do is clean out any dust or debris in there. It's not easy. These don't really come apart, at least not without damaging them. So what I do, like I said, it's a total last-ditch effort. Most of the time it does not work, but there are a few instances where at least you can buy a little bit of time. This is just a small syringe with anhydrous rubbing alcohol in it. I don't recommend oil. Oil will pick up dust. The other thing you can do if you don't have a little syringe is just get a Q-tip. Get it really soaked, because you're trying to drip the alcohol. You're trying to get it inside. You want to get in between, in there. Let me see. Actually, I'll point with this guy. You're trying to get it in between because you want to get in here. You're trying to loosen up any dust that's gotten compacted. The alcohol will cause the dust to swell, and then you can just kind of spin it with your hand, and that will get the dust to hopefully free up a little bit or possibly get smushed flatter so it's not affecting the rotation. If you have access to a little syringe like that, you can get in there and then just kind of push some in and then spin it. This one's shot. A good one will spin a lot longer before it stops, but you just do that. Just keep spinning it and you'll feel it free up. Now what you could do if you really are in a pinch and just want to get it, maybe another couple months out of it, you could get some spray lubricant. I'd use something as not flammable as possible. Also no graphite because that's conductive. And then just squirt it inside that screw hole and it'll get inside. You can kind of see, the coils in there. And in my experience what happens is the dust will build up on the inside edge of the magnet and get jammed against the coils. And when it's off of balance like that, it'll cause the wheel to vibrate and mess the bearings up. So get rubbing alcohol, get it in there, get it soaked with it, spin it, and that's really your best bet. If that doesn't work, time for a new color wheel. Either way, time for a new color wheel, but this might buy you a little bit extra time. Maybe you can use it for the weekend and then replace it the following week. So it's not really a fix as much as it's a, stop gap measure, something or other. It's a rig. It's a straight up rig is really what it is. But it'll at least get your projector running or tell you if the color wheel's definitely bad. Because if you clean it and then it runs again for a little bit and then starts acting up, you know for sure it was the color wheel. So that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below, subscribe, all that fun stuff. You know, usual YouTube boilerplate statement goes here. Take care.